Welcome back, everyone. So today we're actually going to be painting a Honda
Odyssey.
Odyssey. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Story goes on this is they hit a deer, had to replace the fenders. The fenders that were actually black, or sorry, the fender and the bumper and the hood were actually all black because of the replacement, and that looked like a Panda. So we're going to go ahead and paint all that. So yeah, let's get started. We're about to go to get some tack cloths and what else?
Whatever else we feel like buying.
So we're heading to we're heading to Walmart.
I feel like I'm on vacation with you because you're always taking pictures and videos.
Fair enough. So we got all the tack cloths, and now we're on our way.
Attack cloth?
Attack cloths.
Attack of the cloth.
Sorry.
That's where my brain goes.
Okay. And we're on our way back now. So see you there.
Parts paint to 1 part.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm just spraying some reducer through the gun, give it an initial cleaning, get the paint out of it, and then we'll shoot a little more through it, and then we may or may not clean this gun, I don't know. Usually it costs more to clean the gun than the gun you actually pay for the gun, so these are good little guns, but you don't, they are what they are, you use them for what you use them, and you catch them on sale for $9. You can't, I mean, honestly, you can't go through and a gallon of reducer, you know, obviously you don't use a whole gallon to clean a gun, but by the time that you take all the time to clean out one of these little guns and do all that, you're probably only going to get 1 or 2 gun uses out of it again anyway, so.
Tell me about your new gun.
It's a Euro Pro HVLP Astro. It came highly recommended for shooting clear coat. It's got a, I believe it's a 1.3 millimeter tip, which atomizes the clear coat a lot better. We got a lot of orange peel on the last paint job we did, so we'll try. Here we go.
So, we just finished with the van. As you can see, it looks pretty good.
Not 100%. We would normally color sand and then buff it, but we're dealing with, you know, it's colder, so we had a problem with the clear coat setting up. The cold, we didn't get the cold activator. We had the medium, so it took a while to set up, but overall, it's a pretty good job, and we learned a lot about the chemical aspect of painting. So we got the top of it. I don't know if you can see the top up here, but that'll probably come back at a later date. You probably fix that. We were running short on time and short on paint, so but we did all this for $150. So they hit a deer. They bought the hood and the fender and the bumper cover, and instead of taping the whole van off, we just took and painted them on our little rack that we've got. So all in all, not bad little weekend project. But the paint matched up pretty good, and we got to give a shout out to Napa. They did a good job again. So, but
Alrighty. Well, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Gonna have to. Yeah. That's pretty cool.